Talking in a grocery store. I need to buy some groceries today. I need to buy some groceries today. Let me go to the grocery store. Let me go to the grocery store. The store looks busy today. The store looks busy today. I should get a shopping basket. I should get a shopping basket. First, I need some vegetables. First, I need some vegetables. Let me check the vegetable section. Let me check the vegetable section. These tomatoes look fresh. These tomatoes look fresh. I will take a few tomatoes. I will take a few tomatoes. I also need some onions. I also need some onions. Where is the milk section? Where is the milk section? Let me get a pack of milk. Let me get a pack of milk. I should buy some bread too. I should buy some bread too. This bread looks fresh. This bread looks fresh. Maybe I should buy some fruits. Maybe I should buy some fruits. These apples look good. These apples look good. I think that's enough for today. I think that's enough for today. Let me go to the billing counter. Let me go to the billing counter. I need to pay for these items. I need to pay for these items. I will pay by card. I will pay by card. Let me collect my receipt. Let me collect my receipt. I should pack these items carefully. I should pack these items carefully. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. That was quick shopping. That was quick shopping. Time to go back home. Time to go back home. I bought everything I needed. I bought everything I needed. Thank you very much.